Hey there, wanna build backend API like a pro? Today I'll show you how to create a full CRUD API using Node.js, Express and MongoDB. No fluff, just clean code. We'll test every route using Postman and you'll see real response in real time. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your backend game, at the end of this video you'll know exactly how to build them and test RESTful APIs from scratch. Alright, let's jump in. Okay, open the terminal. Alright, and you'll say you can just create a folder and call it backend, or you can run it like this anyhow, anyone that suits you. So you create npm, run it like that. So you're going to be npm init-y. Bingo, you see a package.json file will come up. Okay, come on. Alright, package.json file is out. The next thing we want to do, we want to install dependencies that we're going to use for the operation, right? So it's going to be npm create, sorry, I said create. npm install express nodemon. In later videos, I will show you a way to. No, let us not use this. Let's forget what I was about to say. Anyways, I want to tell you guys that you guys should just subscribe. In later videos, I will show you a way that you won't need to use .env. That is, but we'll be using .env in this video. .env. In later videos, I'll show you won't need .env or nodemon, but it will be once you save it will update automatically and everything will just work and flow like that. Okay, so let's continue. We're going to need no, we're not connecting to front, so we don't need cursor. So we need mongoose. Which other thing are we going to need again? Let's install this first of all. Okay, it has been installed. Okay, so that is done. The next thing we're going to need, let's close the terminal, open a new folder and call it src, small letter src. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to create an index.js file. Sorry, a JS file. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to create all the folders we're going to use. This one is going to be model. The folder is going to be nodejs, controllers, and this one is going to be routes. Going to be routes. Okay, then we'll come here. This package.json here, we want to use the type we'll use. As the type we're going to use is going to be type module. It's going to be type module, not common.js. Then we're going to use first of foremost install npm install nodemon as a dev dependency. So here we change here to, because of this src here, so this index.js is inside this src folder, so here is going to be src slash index.js. Then here you see this this okay, close this, so it's calling me this here. Alright, let's click this. Okay, close this, open up package.json again. What's going on? Sorry. Okay, see that dependency here, nodemon Alright, so we'll come here and paste start is going to be node. It's going to be node your src index.js. Start is going to be node src slash index.js, right? Then your dev, no, don't forget to put your comma. The dev is going to be nodemon, so nodemon src slash index.js. Okay, save, close. I think that is set. Come here, let's test it. You go with Express. Sorry, you're going to import Express from Express. Alright. The next thing I'm going to import not going to import mongoose. Use from mongoose. I'm going to say const port is equals to 5000. Const port is equals to 5000. Const app is equals to express. Equals to express. Alright. Then we're going to need I'm going to say app.listing in bracket of ports, comma, no brackets, request, comma, response is equals to, now I will explain everything, curly braces, right? So we are going to say console.log in bracket of server is running on ports. Server is running on yeah, let's just look like that. Let's do http // local host. Yep, then I think I've just done this with tactics. Sorry, I want to make it that I can be able to put the port inside of there without writing the port number or writing the port's address. So just when you highlight everything, just click on backticks, then keep put a $sign, put curly braces, then you put ports. Bingo. Okay. All right. So let's test this. So let's put npm run dev. Let's see the error we get. Probably we don't get any errors. Okay. All right. Come on. What's going on? Yep, I'm not seeing any changes. I'm not seeing any console.log here. Okay, what is the problem? Nothing is the problem. Why is it not showing console.log? Come on, what is this with you? Okay, let's figure this out. Alright, let's save this. Okay, I did not save. Sorry, I did not save. Jesus Christ. Alright. Let's get this network connected. Let's get the network connected and so we can be able to do this. I think it's connected now. What's happening? Oh, my data is not on. Alright. Okay. Alright, it's connected. Yeah, it's connected. So it's working now. So you just have to save. Just have to press Ctrl S, and localhost is running on this information here. Alright. So the next thing we want to do is to get is to create the model that we're going to use. That is the product model. So to create the product model, that is the model.js dot just the products.model.js. Alright. New file is going to be model. It's going to be products.model.js. You just naming conventions so that you know what you're doing. And let's just create this one also. You have products dot controller .js. Okay, and this is the file. We have products dot routes dot js. Alright, now that's done. Okay, alright, let's create a new, let's create, let's open a MongoDB. Let's log into MongoDB and create our database. Alright, okay. We see a page like this. You might not have plenty projects done, but you see this new project, or you can see it on top here. So just click on the new project. The new project, we're going to name it code operation. That is for our process. So let's do this. Let's finish this. Okay, that's going to be CRUD app. Alright, click on what happened. Okay, if you give space, it's right. Okay, CRUD app, click next, click on create project. Okay, so if you come to security, so come to network access, you want to be able to access it from anywhere, right? Add IP address, allow access from anywhere, confirm, and add current IP address. Okay, then just add IP address. Okay, let's go back. We create our cluster. We need to create a cluster. And this cluster, we are going to call it, it's going to be free, is a free version. I'm going to call it CRUD app. Okay, I'm going to click on create project. Once you click on create project, copy this password, copy this username, come to your this place, and outside this src, close this. Outside this SRC, create a new file and put it .env. Okay, then come here and say mongo url is equals to, you have not gotten a mongo url, so say mongo mongo password mongo password mongo password is equals to this. Then you are going to have mongo username is going to be equals to this, right? So you go back to your here. I'm going to delete this cluster and this database, this code application from here. So I don't try to use it, just create your own. Follow my process and create yours. Don't try to use my get. Alright. So you click on create database user, then choose a connection, click on drivers. We have already installed this, you already have this in place. So you copy this, this is your URL, Mongo URLs, or call it Mongo string. Come here and you put it here. Alright. Now you copy this last place. This last place, this CRUD app. See this slash here, paste it here. Okay. Then save this. Alright. Okay. So let's get to open here, but go to the source. If that is done, put done. Alright. Okay, our cluster has been created. So we'll get back to our tutorial. Let's go back to here, our route, and let's add few things. So it's going to be, you add on top here import, sorry, we go to add on top here import, so we are going to do import dot env from dot env. Okay, that's it. And under here we're going to say dot env dot config. So this is what you use and connect it. All right, what you connect, you use to make the connection to this URLs here, or this what word did I say? What you don't want your what you don't want people to see in the front. I don't just know you don't want people to see this, and so you're going to use this .env to hide it. All right, I'm going to use this .env to hide it. All right. So okay, the next thing we want to do is const mongo URL is now equals to process.env dot mongo URL, right? That is your mongo URL here. Okay, dot mongo URL. Let's change it. Let's make this one URL. No, let's leave it like that. Okay, URL. So this you have made this connection. You have made the connection. So we're going to come here. I want to connect Mongo. So it's going to be Mongoose dot connect in bracket of our Mongo URL. Alright. A Mongo URL. Alright, comma. Oh, okay, there's Mongo URL dot then open brackets arrow function. You can still put this down and come here and say console.log. Alright, and the console.log we're going to say mongo DB connected successfully. Alright, then you come down here and do dot catch, call it here, so you put error. No error. I'm going to do console.log MongoDB connection was not successful. Mongo, how do you spell Mongo again? Is that how they spell Mongo? Okay, I get. Anyhow, you understand what I'm doing. MongoDB, ah, come on, DB, remember to use camel casing. Okay, MongoDB connection not successful. Okay, now do comma and put our error outside here. Okay, so this should make the connection before it calls the route. Alright, so let's save this and see what happened. Alright, running a server. No, no connection happened. Why is that so? Bingo, connection happened. Okay, okay, connection happened. MongoDB has connected successfully. That's a good thing. That's what we wanted to see. That is wonderful. Alright, alright. So now let's go and create our models that we're going to use. So it's going to be import. These models we want to use are things that the product is going to have, because we are creating a product that we're going to read the product. I'm going to update the product. We'll be able to delete the product, and we're able to create a product. You get? So that's just a CRUD operation. So I'm using a product for an example. Let's say you're building an e-commerce app, and that's how you do it. That's how you go about it. All right. So this is import Mongoose from Mongoose. All right. Now I'm going to here and come in const product schema. Product schema is now going to be equals to mongoose.create. Alright, nope, sorry, it's going to be schema. Schema dot, oh my god, I've made a mistake. Okay, oh, I've seen my mistake, sorry. It's going to be new mongoose.create, sorry. The new mongoose.schema, sorry, I made a mistake. Yeah, new mongoose.schema. So our schema is going to have few things. Our schema is going to have this one here. Alright, our schema is going to have name, and the name is going to have type. Type is going to be string. Alright, required is going to be true. Okay, we're going to come here and we are going to say we're going to have a price. P-R-I-C-E. Price is going to be type is going to be number, I guess. Or we can still put it string. I'll leave it as number. Huh? Then required is going to be true. Anyhow, still works. Okay, now we come here. Now we say description. Description is going to be string. Type is going to be true. Sorry, type is going to be string. What am I doing? Type is going to be string. Required is going to be true. This required is true. Let's just be copying it and pasting it. Let us don't waste our time. Then we have a category. Category, let's just put it string. Category, we put it type string, required true. Right? And we're going to have stock. As how many is in stock, how many do we have? Stock is going to be alright, so stock will be number, type number, then required is going to be true. Required is going to be true. Okay. Then the next one we are going to have is images. But we're not creating front end, so I'm just going to make the image should be false, right? Let's put products image, product image, get string, and it's required false. It's not required except you want to put it to get. So that is done. We are going to create timestamp. Going to create timestamp. Put a comma here, curly braces, enter. And the timestamp timestamps is going to be true. This timestamp is for created out, updated out. It shows all those details you get. Alright. So next one we're going to do, we're going to have const product. Product is equals to mongos dot model. Mongos and model is equals to product. It's also product comma. Then I'm going to use product schema. Going to be product schema. Alright, so we're going to come here and come to export default, then our product. Enter. Okay. Hello, I read. Alright, back. Okay, so let's take it down. Okay. Okay. Okay, connected. So we see this. Hopefully MongoDB should be connected to it, right? Just some. Right. Okay. MongoDB should be connected down here. While we wait for that, let's go and create the controllers. Right, the controllers are what we use to make the. Just do you understand? Let's go. The controllers are what we use to control it. Simple English, simple things. What we use it. That's why we create the APIs. Okay, we create the APIs there. So let's first and foremost say export. And the controllers as product.controllers.js export const create product. It's not going to be equal to async in bracket of what request comma response or request comma response arrow function come down here. Right, so we're going to use this for security create product. So we're going to say const, cost, one bracket, then our model. Let's bring our model to this side so that we can contribute. So let's expand this so we can get everything at once. What's his name? Name, price, and description. Description. Then you have category. Then we have stock. Right. Then we have products in. Now product image is false, so we can leave it. Right. This is not going to. We can close this and open this other side. Then this is not going to be equals to request body. Okay. So here we're not going to do a try and catch block. And in this try and catch block, we're going to say const products is equals to our weight. Alright, Then we are going to be like we're going to create, so it's going to be await. That's our product. Let's get our model. Save this model because we're going to import it in that controller. So here's it with product. It's going to be products. Yes, it's from importing from model here. It's going to come down. Okay. Remember to add your .js here. Okay, let me just add this .js. Let me show you what's going to happen. Okay, going to product.create. .create. So it's going to be product.create. So it's going to be product.create. Then we're going to input all this stuff. So just copy it like this. And alright. Or you can still copy this place and just go request the body here, but leave it like this. Okay, you now say if you do this, then you'll be like press, because you're going to save it. Then once we save it, alright, so here is going to be res the status. Here's the status in bracket of 200 .json in bracket of let's put a message the message is going to be product created successfully. Alright, once product is created successfully, you comma and you put the product inside of here. That is stuff. Copy it, place it here. Okay, get. So here you just come down here and do console.log error and creating products controllers command and put an error here. Then you come down here and click rest the status okay, bracket of 500 .json bracket of what internal server error. Internal server error. Then we save. Alright. Then also don't forget add your .js here to avoid any future problems. Also don't forget the index.js we are going to use here as the app.use bracket of express bracket close. This is important so you can be able to communicate, you can be able to pass in JSON data. That is when you are creating, this is important so when you are creating when you are using Postman to test, so we're creating it with JSON data format. So this will enable you to pass the information. That's why this is important. Alright, so save this. You go to your, this is our create route. Our create product is done. So you go to your route, your product route. You're going to import express from express. What express from express, right? Then we are going to say const router is equals to express the router and then down here we say export default router, okay. Then close here. Then in this place now, this will create our route that we are going to use to communicate to this controller. So this is router dot post. We are making a post request because we are creating something, so it's going to be a post request. All right, so router dot post in brackets of here is going to be slash create product. Alright, comma. Then we are going to have create product. Yeah, in this controller here. Remember to add your .js. It's very important to avoid future problems. Save. You go to your index.js. Now you are going to create the route. Alright. Okay. So here I'm going to create the routes. And in this route now we are going to do it like this. The route is going to be app.use in bracket of /API /product. Right? Then come up here. I'm going to import that route, this route now. I'm going to import this route inside of here. Import product, let me tell you to call it product route. See, product route, no, product route from quotations. Nope. You have to go here. The route slash the product route dot js, js to do what? Avoid future problems. Okay, come down here, paste it, and come down here and save. MongoDB is supposed to run correctly. MongoDB connected successfully. That's what you're supposed to see in some minutes now. This server is running a localhost 5000. While this is running, let's open our Postman because I'm going to use Postman to test today. Postman. Okay. Okay, MongoDB is connected successfully. See it here. Also, in case you don't have Postman in your system, you can go here and create Postman, download Postman. I mean. So Postman download for Windows or for Mac, anyone is using, just come here and you download it. Follow the instructions, you download it. Right? Okay, let's get back to it. Postman is coming up. So this is our Postman now. So let's create a new just click new, create new collections, new collection in total. Then you come here. Right, this is a new collection. This new collection, we're going to create a request. We're going to add a request. Yeah, can you imagine? Just came out. Alright, so we'll be deleting some. Let's delete this. Sorry. Don't know why my system is becoming slow. Okay, we delete this. Delete this. Oh, no, you don't need plenty. Right, delete this. Let's do one at a time. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to create a post. This post we are creating is going to be new request. This new request is product. Let's create product. Because it's create product. Then we are going to come here and go down here, copy this. I'm going to copy this. This is why I did this. So it will be easy for you. Go to your Postman, paste it in. Alright. Add a slash at the end. Alright. Go to your code. Go to index.js. You see this here. Copy this to the end. Just remove this. Just copy it to the end. Put this. You see this is 2 here. These are 2 slashes here. So just remove 1. Okay. Then the last slash is going to be for your create post. Then that slash is going to come to your product route. click on the create post, and I don't know what's coming here. Then click on the add create post. So in this body now, you choose raw. This row we're choosing now is for that is in JSON format. That's what it is. JSON format. That's how we added that express. That's how we added this, so you can pass in JSON data. Get. Okay. So here we are going to have. Remember the things we copied the last time. It's going to be, let's copy them one by one. Go to your model. Let the model copy the name. Put it in quotations. Name. Let's call it bread. Okay, let's call it bread. So sorry, put this also in quotation. It's bread, comma, enter. Next one should be in quotations also. Come down here, copy its price, is number, so it does not need to be in quotations. You can just put it like that. So paste it here, price, it's a number, so let's put it $100. Okay, put comma, enter, final quotation, and this is going to be description. Put the description, and this description is going to be is a string, so you can put daily bread, I guess. Daily bread. Literally daily bread. Then come here. How am I always coming to this place? Put category, call it breakfast. Fast. Okay, come here. Put the category, the stock. Let's put 10. Stock is number. Remember, stock is number. So you just put it as 10. Then comma. Then the last thing we are going to have is product image. So we don't have any product image, so we'll leave it like that. Besides, we are not calling the product image in these controllers. These are the only things we need for the controllers. Product image is false, so product image is false, so we can leave it, let it be like that. All right, or we can still put the product image as a string. Anyone? Okay, let's just check that this is working. Okay, let's put the product image. Let's see, call the product. If it doesn't work, we'll remove the product image. Okay, let's image this will throw an error because I did not add product image in this controller. Let's try. Okay, this is it, and let us click on send request. All right, you see, could not get, this is not found, so this is not found. Okay, let's go back to this place. This is a localhost // hey, sorry, this is supposed to be localhost, not, see what I spelled here. Sorry. Host. Alright, that's correct. Let's go it there. Alright. Come on already, man. I'm wasting a lot of time. Alright, so copy this, then go to your Postman. This is supposed to be like this, not like that. Okay, let's send request again. Okay, it worked. But it threw an error. Okay, let's see here. So it's saying here, cannot destructure party name because your body as it is undefined. Alright, video controller. name price in stock. Okay, I've figured what the problem was. So this, that time I was telling you guys that it will be able to pass JSON data. Yeah, I made a mistake. At least it happened. That is it. So it's supposed to be dot express.json. Yep, that's what it's supposed to be. So let's see if it works. Yeah, express.json. Let's see if it works. Let's send it again. Okay, you see, product created successfully. You see, if you don't get this stuff, if you don't do this, if you don't do this, you'll be here all day and you'll not figure out what the problem was. So this JSON is very, very important the next time. Alright? Okay, so you see our product has been created successfully. We have this message. We put a product created successfully. The product is bread, price, daily bread, categories, breakfast, the ID created that and updated that. This is what the timestamp is for. Right, product image is just, we just put a simple quote in there. Right, also I added the products, I added the product image in the controllers, so in case you're wondering where that came from, I just added it to be on the safer side. All right, okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to get all products. So let's say we create another product. Let's create another product. So we have two products, right, or three products. Let's call this one rice. ICE, the one it is 150. Should I call it daily rice? No, that makes sense. Yummy rice. Yummy rice. Let's put it breakfast, dinner. Okay, it's lunch. How do you spell lunch? How do you spell lunch? Lunch. Okay, that's correct. Lunch. Okay. Then the stock should be like 300. Email should be there. Okay. Since we have done that, let's click on send. Should create it successfully. Okay. So products created successfully. Now let's get all the products we've created. So export. This is, we are done with create. This is create. I'll leave it like this. C include. C is create product. This is create as a create route. Now this is going to be the read route, that is arrow. Read. So to okay, so this I'm going to read. So it because I get all products. Alright, so cost. Not even for this. Right, so we're going to be like try catch. Alright, then the cost product. Alright, product equals to await. Copy this product dot find and that like this. It's supposed to be an array, right? let's just put like this first. First for status. Let's say if product is not found, product is equal to 0. If no product, if product is not there, product dot length is equal to 0. Product equals to 0. Then we return s dot status. As the status in bracket of 200, bracket of 400 .json, .json. Okay, we have products not found. Product not found. Then I'm going to say status. Then if it is found, I'll be the status bracket of 200 .json. Save here. Okay, and the products. Okay, come on, products here. Alright, now we'll come here and say, let's copy this, paste it. Error in creating, error in getting, all products controllers. Error. Copy this, go to your controllers, go to your controllers, go to your route here. Now we want to get all the products, so the router does get slash get all products, get all products, import it, get all products, save it. So this is get request. Go to your Postman and create a new request. This new request is going to be get. If you click on here, this is the product. So here is going to be click on get request. Get all, something happened. Get all products. What happened? Sorry, I did not save. You're supposed to save. Otherwise it crashed. Supposed to save here. So save in this place. Then it should show MongoDB is connected any minute from now. Alright. Okay, MongoDB connected successfully. So you come back to your place and get a product. So if you put on get request, hopefully we should get a product. So let us see. Alright, see, we got the product. See the product. Here's the first one, daily bread. This is the second one, yummy rice. So we got our product. So here we change this to let's box. Okay. Okay, so we have create here, get our product here. Let's save this side. Then this side, then we save this side. Get our product. Okay. So the next thing I want to do is delete the product. First of all, you can update by ID. Understand? You can update by ID and you can delete the product. So updating by ID. So J. So okay, and we're back. So here we go, we export const update by ID. So this one is going to be here. So this one is going to be update. So it's going to be update, right? So after this we will have more and more to do. Update by ID product, sorry. Update products by ID is equals to async request command response. Alright. So first and foremost we're going to say const our ID now going to be equals to request dot params. Alright. Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to do something try catch block const product is equals to await our product. Alright, then dot find and update by ID. Find by ID and update. Alright, find by ID and update. We have our ID here. What is it again? Our ID here, and so we have to do const. Our new file here should have these names, should have this detail. So just pass it in. Now this detail should not be equal to requests. Body. Alright, we want to be comma, version, post it, then comma, and yes, new group. Alright, so come down here, then we're going to say if product is not true. What do we do? If product is not true, we return here's the status bracket of 100 JSON bracket of products not found. Okay. Product not found. Product is not true, then product not found. Okay. Then we can zero the status bracket of 200 .json bracket of what? Bracket of, remember, curly braces, search quotations, and we will say product updated successfully. Product updated successfully, and we put products here. Products, we call it here products. Okay, copy, remember, copy and paste, waste your time. So error in updating products in controllers, cannot server error. Okay, let's test this. Just by ID, go to our route, come down here. You can press on shift, alternate, and down arrow key, and you just copy it at once. So you can say paste this by ID slash your ID. Okay, and here you just call the product by ID here. And click on enter and you save it. Alright, so after this, let's test it. So we have product by ID. Let us update. Let's create a new collection, new request, and this request we are going to call it update by ID. Here it is going to be update by ID here. is going to be, where is going to be put. Remember, if you go back here, it's not get. When you're updating, you're going to use put request. Alright, it's going to be put request when you're updating. So go back here. Okay, also product. So put request. Hit here, Control V, and slash. If you go back to this place, to the get product, that get product, we'll see. Let's update this bread on, instead of daily bread, put daily bread for breakfast. Alright, let's copy this ID, go to this place, copy the name, okay, let me see something, copy the name, then this copy the ID, then come to the body, then you add this. If it does not work and it requires us to update everything at once, I'll try something else and show you guys where you can just choose one you want to update to get. So let's say I want to update let's copy all this, and let's copy all this, come here, paste it. Alright, let me just come out, let's put here daily bread, okay, daily bread for breakfast, daily bread for breakfast. Okay, let's send it and see what happens. Alright, you see it updates daily bread for breakfast, updated daily bread for breakfast. So now if we go back to this get request, you see this place is daily bread for breakfast here, and we click on send. You see here updates to daily bread for breakfast, so it updates newly. Alright, so come back here, save this, right? We click save its post, save your pics. So the next thing we want to do, we want to be able to delete by ID, delete the product by ID. Okay, so if you go back here, you will come to this place and you say export const, sorry, I have to remember color, delete, no, it's supposed to be D first of all, delete. So we have export const delete by delete product, delete product by ID equals to a sync other than request common response. So we're going to just delete the ID and deleting, and it's going to be request dot params. Right, then you come down here and you say try catch. Once you do try catch, it's going to be const product. It's going to equals to await comma, sorry, await product. Just copy this stuff at the time. Await product dot find by ID and delete. Okay, put the ID inside of here. Then if product is not found, just copy this. If product is not found, if product not found, yes, if product is found, copy this. If product is found, copy this and put it here. If product is found, product deleted successfully. Okay, I copy this here, delete here, error in deleting product in controllers. So save, copy this here, go to your route, come down, there's going to be delete function. Okay, Yeah, so delete, right, delete function. So here's going to be delete by ID. Here's going to be delete, enter, save. So you call it delete by ID. Let's go and delete that bread. By targeting bread wrong. So if you come here, you create a new post, right? New request, sorry. And this request now we are deleting by ID. Alright. So here is going to be delete by ID. There's going to be a delete request. Save it. So so this update one now that we have here. Just click on this, double click on the update by ID and put delete by ID. Remember this ID is the ID we changed, we updated. Yeah. So if you just click on it and send, let me show you what this ID is. That's its first ID for the bread. There is 056. Come to delete. Delete is D056. So is that bread ID. So if you click on send, product deleted successfully. Then if we go and get all products and we send it, you see we have only one product. And we send it, see we have only one product. That's the rice. There you have it, guys. This is a complete CRUD operation for creating a product. So with this you can do any form of CRUD operation you want to do. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and you subscribe. We're on the road to reach 1000 subscribers. We're at 203 right now. So 1000 subscribers in 1 month. Let's go, guys. We can do it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching once again. It's a complete CRUD operation, best practice, file structure, everything you need to know. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day. Good night.